Hello everyone, so I have created this one automation where when I click on this execute workflow, it automatically filter all the emails which I sent, and on that sent email where I get replied, only that message I will get into my this email sheet. So how it is working, let's say. So I just click on this execute workflow. First of all, this get sent message will filter all the sent message which I sent like in the last 15 days, and here in that get many messages, here it will identify or kind of collect all the messages it in my inbox, like whatever the messages I have in my inbox. And now here is a simple code which I am doing here to filter the messages, we can say the emails. Because what is happening, like for example, in the last 15 days I have sent around 87 emails, and this is the inbox. Like in the inbox I get around like 100 items. All these 100 emails are not related to or replied by these or reply of these emails. So what I did, now here is a simple code which is actually doing a kind of filtration work, where it only filter that emails which I get replied on my sent email. Like for example, I've sent this 87 item on which I get received like 100 items, but I replied only on 5 or 10. Like either I'm in the 2, either I'm in CC, either I'm in the BCC, wherever. So I get filtered through this code, and here is a kind of what I need to get or store in this sheet. So here is a field like what are the field, like sender name, subject, snippet. Here no AI, no LLM, nothing is used, just a normal automation flow. Here I can put an AI flow like email is positive, the email is negative, but for now I have not put any AI LLM there. This is the sheet which, so here is the filter list. Let me show, like when I run this execute workflow, and here because I have already run it. So yeah, these are the emails, like these are the sender email, these are the subject, and these are the body messages whatever I have received here. So yeah, that's how this automation work. I have to not scroll to my whole inbox whatever I have, like some spam messages, some promotional message, and these are the filtered list of my replied emails. So yeah, that's how it works. Thank you.